Select Launch Web App to load the LEGO Education Spike Prime app onto your browser. From there, choose Spike Prime. This time, go to the Start menu to access the Onboard tutorials. Choose the light matrix and use the arrows to forward through the prompts. Now we're going to connect our hub again. Power on your hub by pressing and holding the power button. Once it's turned on, select the Bluetooth button and you'll know it's working if it's flashing. Click Connect and go down to the green option and choose Open and pair your device. Follow the prompts by dragging when program starts and then one of the display blocks, and test your code by pressing on the play button on the far right corner. If all went well, your hub should now be displaying the happy face. Go on to the next step and see if you can change one of the eyes so that it looks like it's winking. Press play and test your code. You did it. Finish the tutorial by clicking on the check mark. Now that you've completed that, see if you can get the motor or one of the sensors working with your hub to get familiar with all the components included in your Spike Prime kit.